Love, I want this. Favorite namin ay itong Kalangs. Meron kaming dalawa sa bahay ngayon. Very convenient to eh. Pwedeng nakaganon, pwedeng nakatayo. At saka madami siyang compartments. Tapos pwede mong lagyan ng mga ganito, drawer. Very convenient.
Good morning, Rambam! Welcome back to our channel!
It's Sunday. Siyempre, if we could go to church, we would. That's a priority.
Yeah.
So,
So,
wala
off,
namang event, wala namang everything, and then off si Donna.
mostly pag off ako ng weekend, we always go to church. Kasi sometimes nga, di ba, early morning lagi ang pasok ko. So, hindi sila nakaka-church kasi syempre mahirapan sila sa dalawang kids usually. So, we tried na every weekend mag-church kami pag wala talaga ako nakapasok. So, on our way now, syempre sa South ang church namin. Yes, honey. And excited na yung kids. Parang alas 2 weeks kami hindi
Three weeks since December.
Oo, kasi may pasok nga ako lagi. Tapos last week we had Ninong and Ninang event nga. So ngayon nang ulit kami makaka-church with our fam.
Okay, so the kids are really want to sing habang nagde-drive. So see you later, fam. Samahan nyo kami. Baka magpuntahan kami mamaya. Lunchtime siguro with the fam and magpuntahan kami.
Yep.
See you later. Samahan nyo ulit kami. Dito na kami sa church. Nag-park na sa church. Yan. It's called Calgary Life Church. Dito sa Southeast pa. So, mamadali ang cutie pie ko na daughter. Si Dian. Jumping and running. And nasa likod si Mommy and si Davon. Sobrang lamig. Minus 17. It's too cold. Nagda-dry agad yung lips mo eh. Yung ilong mo. Ramdam na ramdam yung lamig. So, okay. So see you later, fam.
A few moments later.
Hey, fam. Done with church. And the gang will be going to where are we going to? IKEA! We're going to IKEA. First time namin pupunta na IKEA dito sa Calgary. Last natin love is Richmond pa. So it's been a year. It's been close to a year. Oh, super cold. Lamig ng Calgary. It's minus 15 right now. But it's super sunny as you can see it. Sin walang snow, walang rain. So in a sense for them, this is a good weather.
And we're here. Sobrang lapit lang sa church namin. There you go. First time natin dito, Dad. For sure.
Yeah.
Wow, this is the biggest IKEA that I ever seen.
Are you sure?
Family parking.
Family. There's
Let's go there.
Oh, yes.
No, this is longer than I ever seen this IKEA.
Oh, we tried to go here. Kaming dalawa ni Arnel nung pumunta ako dito lang dati.
Oh, yeah?
Yung first time ko.
Oh.
Kaya lang, parang pinagbawalan kami ng security guard.
Kasi?
Parang ayaw lang niyang magkasama kami ni Arnel. Ang mukha namin ni Arnel.
Visit ka. Nakaka-visit ka.
Joke lang. Wala nga security guard yung IKEA dito eh. Paano kami pagbabawalan? Easy. Easy girl.
There you go.
Okay, parking na kami. Woohoo!
My apathy girl.
Yeah, we're beside the new model.
Family, yeah, for families. For families. Oh, may dalawa kaming ano.
Yeah.
May unicorn pa sa labas. na sina Dave and Lian. So, try natin sila ipasok sa playground kasi ang playground usually dito. Yan, so ito yung first thing na makikita, hagdan. And then the Smileland. So, ito yung playground nila dito. Okay, so magsa-sign in si Donna. After mo naman mag-sign in,
Already
you can just try. Yeah, let's just try kasi,
6:17.
yeah, provide your number. And then, check na nila yan if meron na. So, ito yung Smileland. Ito yung playground nila. So, since 13 minutes pa yung antay, siguro mga 10 minutes na lang, love, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, dalawa sila. One. Take turn. So, maglalaro lang sila dito. Of course, unsupervised play area. Do not leave children unattended. Okay. Galing. Ang galing ng mga anak ko. Good boy. Good girl. It's great. And ang ganda lang talaga dito sa IKEA kasi meron sila parang lounge dito. So habang nag-aantay dun sa pila ng mga kids, yeah, upo ka lang muna dito. And Hedge, it's great to see you. Yeah, so may lounge sila dito. Okay, ganda. Ito yung pagpasok talaga. Then, lift yung nandun, elevator, and then stairs. And then, may reading and writing yung mga kids while waiting here. Then, may lounge sila. So, right, upo lang muna tayo while nag-aantay kinalian. Okay? Oh, sobrang tagal nung Smileland, yung playground. Pero at last, it was 45 minutes. I mean, yung antay natin, sobrang tagal.
45 to 1 hour.
45 minutes to 1 hour kami nag-antay. So ito, stairs, paakyat. And syempre since Sunday, sobrang daming tao. But not as many pag nasa Singapore ka, love. Dami talaga dun eh. Okay, so punta kami ni Donna sa showroom.
Ano to ba? Dun sa ano ba? Oh. Mga isalagay mo ng kumar. Frames.
Nakamit mo na yung bahay mo ah. Uy, ito, kailangan ko to. Yung parang ano, paano siya yung mountain bike. I'll take a photo. Paper napkin, $3.99. Okay? Okay, so, quick pan. Yan, so ganito yung mukha ng Costco. Parang industrial complex, pero so, okay. So, wow. So, itong section na to buo, it's 11,179. Okay.
So, kailangan natin sa Vancouver dahil.
Yeah, 69.
Kanino mga bata?
Yeah. Kanino ka na?
Kila Kat, tsaka kay Amira.
Okay. Oga, yun yung mga quick na hindi na talaga natin kaya eh. Eto love, Kivik. Ganito na lang oh. Try the seat. Try the sit down.
Gusto ko pa ganyan sa Costco.
Pero kasi ang importante lang love is yung ito, yung dito yung sumasakit sa akin eh. So ito, love seat with Chase, 1,199. Yeah, this one too. It's okay. 1,390. Okay, so nandito na din yung mga prices. So, ganda na ito oh. 335. Pero panggarahe ito, mukhang panggarahe eh. Cozy. Yan, ito yung typical mo na love oh. No? Yeah. Upgrade ka na. Akala ko basta lang may countertop. Ngayon, gusto mo ng malaking countertop? Okay. Next target. Big countertop. As big as this. Ganda ng lights. Ganda ng kulay nito. 32,905 for all of this. Okay, and ito yung setup nila. Sample for the living room. Mahal naman ito. $9 itong ganito. So, ito yung parang siguro sa basement setup na to. No? Or apartment. Kung naka-apartment ka. Yan ito. Yan. It's nice. It's nice. Sofa bed. 1,190. So meron din silang nakasama ditong ganito. Cash. Vanderon. So apologies kasi baka Swiss ano yan, language and pronunciation. Baka mali-mali yung pag pinagsasabi ko. Trying my best. Ni man. It's 99. This is cute. This is nice. Parang ito kaliit. It's either an apartment or parang ano, basement. I think it's a good setup. It's for office. Oh yeah, so this one's a whole unit. Whole unit pala to. So ito yung kitchen. Ito yung sala, living room. Whole unit na pala to. Ito yung gitnang study table and then one bedroom here. Yeah, condo type. Basta maliit. Condo 599. High bed frame. And then the other ano dito, isang room pa. Wala na. Okay, so one bedroom. Okay. Shower dito. Okay, bathroom. Then dito ay laundry area. Okay. Sabi, no? Parang kondo. Okay. I think ibang-iba na pag nakauwi kami sa Pilipinas next year. Hopefully next year. Yun yung target namin. Love, can you imagine, love? Halika. For example, ito. Sun Halt. $99. Ito siya, di ba? Ito siya. So, sa Pilipinas, since may IKEA, ang nakalagay doon, 4,000 pesos. Ito. I don't think, parang mahirapan na akong bumili sa Pilipinas. Parang, di ba? Parang ganun, 4,000. Oh, ito naman, isang setup. So, hindi French door yung namin ngayon eh. Yung fridge namin, pero yun yung target next. 99 cents, $1. Yeah. Convenient French door talaga. Then yung gas stop namin. Oh, okay. Ano siya? Ito. Okay. Yeah. So, isang setup to. And then, meron siyang workplace. Yeah, there you go. Meron siyang design. And then, their living room. So, parang it's a small house. It's a small house. Love? Yeah, may model sila ng complete kitchen. May model sila dito ng tiny house. Siguro ito yung parang pag-aakyat ka. Tapos loft type yung bahay. Sobrang liit naman na ito. Grabe kitchen. Dishwasher, microwave. So, andito na yung dining mo. Okay. Yan, nasaan ang living room? Wala na living room. O sige. Yun ang gusto niya eh. Akyat na lang. Tapos, baka na doon na yung living room. Imagine parang loft type to. So, nandun yung bed sa taas. Then, baka ganun. Ito daw yung gusto ni Donna. Pag nag-open, may light sa baba. And, syempre, smooth closing dapat. Or I forgot the right term, pero yeah, suabe mag-close. Oh. Slow close. Ganda nito. Ganda ng kitchen. 25K. So pag nagpa-renovate ka, ganon. Okay, here's another model kitchen. 9,232. Ito ganda. Black and wood finish. Nice. Then, yeah. Okay. Laundry room, utility room. Ito pala yung purpose ng ganito. Yeah. Okay. 29 each. Quick pan lang tayo dito. So ito yung mga selections ng tables and chairs. Wow, grabe. Pero maganda. 999. So again, kayo pa ang mag-a-assemble niyan kasi IKEA siya. 429 table. Ganda. It's nice. Ito din. Ganda din na ito. More Bilanga. 999. Bernsta. $35. Ganda. Ganda na ito. Nice. So, yun yung mga selections. Tables and chairs. So, let's check out yung sa iba naman. So, office setups naman yun nandito. Section. Gaming desk. $199. Ganda oh. Ganda din. Pero parang mas maganda yung sa Costco. Oh, this is expensive. $799. Pero ito siguro yung nabababa taas na. Ay. Ito yung ano na siya, up and down. Yeah. See? Up and down. Yeah, you can move it up and down. That's nice. Then pegboard. May ganon. This is nice. Pero wala na akong time pa para mag-set up pa ng iba. Okay, this one. Oh, masulit yung sa Costco. Kasi ito parang sobrang nipis niya, $299. Yung sa Costco, ang kapal eh. And that was just $180 yung bili namin. Yeah, they have gaming chairs din dito. Wow, that's expensive. $429. Nope. Not here. Okay, so hanapin na natin si Donna at nawawala na. Okay, nandito na kami sa bed section. 49, 59. Yung bed frame ay 449. Normal price for an IKEA. Upholstered bed frame, 349. Okay. Looks good.
Tigas, ayoko nito.
Tigas ba?
Hindi, yung
Hindi, iba yung, at saka iba yung, ewan ko, yung sa hotel talaga ng mga pillow eh. Ano nga ang brand nun, love? Kailangan malaman yun eh. Ay fam, kung alam niyo yung, di ba usually nasa hotel tayo, iba yung pillow nung hotel eh. Please comment down below kung ano yung brand nung pillow na yun at bibili kami agad ni Donna. Kasi yun talaga yung inaay namin na pillow. Kasi iba yung feel nung pillow na yun eh. Pillow namin ngayon, malambot, Calvin Klein yun from Costco. Pero parang iba pa rin siya, parang hindi siya yun. So ito yung mga sections ng pillow. Mattress, ayun, $199. Ito, single mattress, it's just $99. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, here's the pillow. And then, meron dito extensions for maybe kay Kuya. No?
Si
Kay
Kuya
Kuya.
talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi siguro pwede nang mag-solo. Tapos,
Yeah, magsasolo na si Kuya eh. Si Lianica, si Lianica need pa talaga eh. Then, yeah. Oh, love, look at this. Ito siya sa 823, ganito kalaki, sulit to. Sulit to. Kasi sobrang laki niya eh. Right?
Pero dahil nga may walk-in closet ka,
Wow.
hindi na nakahang.
Nak.
No, I just want a drawer kasi walang drawer yun.
Okay. Ganda oh, ganda oh. Ganda, sulit to. I think yung mga... Lab, naalala mo to, Lab? May memories tayo dito.
Nung nasa Singapore,
Yung bago ako mag-move ng Singapore, nag-move si Donna sa isang kwarto na may kasama. Bumili kami nito sa IKEA.
nag-move out ako dun sa para iintay na lang kita.
Correct.
Na-
Nadala ba natin yon? Hindi din natin nadala, no?
Kasi nga,
Iniwan na lang natin, no?
parang pinabayaran na lang natin or yun na yung bayad ng
Sayang din yun, no? Pero ito, for example, ito, this one, 159. Ito, sulit to. Sulit to. Madaling araw. Yeah.
Gusto ko dun sa yung sa pikat na ito dalawa ito ba?
Yeah.
Pwede akong lagyan ng frames or something.
Yeah, TV.
Bakit may TV? Walang TV sa...
Grabe.
Yan o.
Gusto mo mag-relax. Pag wala na yung bata, pag nandun na sila sa kabilang room nila, na. Yeah. Kasi meron area sa kwarto namin na
Pero ayoko nga
vacant
nito
eh. Parang isa pang kwarto ata yun. Pero yeah. Sige, tingnan natin.
Ito, patangkarin mo lang to. Gets mo?
Kano to?
Kasi ito sa
6-drawer dresser. Stork clean. Stork Linta. 249. Okay, meron daw doon. Ayan, that one. Dalawang ganyan.
Pero gusto ko nga yung ganito. Ayoko yung may ganito kasi nga yung mga bata.
Hindi na yan sila kasi malaki na eh. Yan, 329.
Ganito height.
Mm-mm.
Dalawa lang.
Yeah, it's dalawa, no? So, ang dalawa niyan, 660. 660. Okay. Pag nagbawas ka ng damit, hindi mo na kailangan yan.
Hindi.
Okay, so nasa last area na tayo, which is the kids section. So, the usual mga crib, mga changing table nila for diapers. Yeah, mga ano na yan, mga pambata na lahat. Ganda nun ah. Yeah. So, that's one of the model room. Mga bata. Yan mga beds. This one too. Ito, gusto ata to ni Davon Lab eh, oh. Oh, 249. Ganda. Reversible bed. This is nice. Oh, yeah. Iniwan lang ba natin yan? Hindi natin tinanggal? Okay. Yeah, yun yung disadvantage pag palipat-lipat din. May naiiwan ka na mga gamit. This one, oh. Ganda, oh. 189. Ganda din. Sorry. Alright, that's it. So, last section na to. Susunduin na namin ng bata kasi 45 minutes lang daw silang nandun. Pwede. So, for sure, nag-enjoy na yun ng todo. Yan, fam, oh. Yung mga may kids na papuntang Canada. Yeah, 129, pero hindi ako dito. Kung papunta pa lang ako Canada, hindi ako dito bibili. Thrift store ang bilihan. Unless na, well, pwede naman sa mga kids, yung mga ganito, pwedeng brand new. Kasi syempre for cleanliness and hygiene din. Pero kung yung mga ibang bagay na hindi naman nila nagagamit, hindi nila nasusubo, hindi kasama sa dining experience nila or sleeping, thrift store na lang. Ayan. Oh, wow. Ito. Wow, 279. Ayan. Actually, it's good. Ganda. Ayan, so may mga beds din dito. So, 269. Double deck for kids. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, so that's about it. First time din namin pumunta dito. So, kainan na yan. So, susunduin naman na namin ng mga kids. See you later. Yan, dito kami kakain. With a view. And big, kuya. Look at those flags. What are those flags? Canada, Alberta, and Sweden. Canada, Alberta, and Sweden. Nice view. Ito kami kakain. Alright, so yeah. Is it you or me? Ako? And then ako na bahala. Okay. Alright, so kailangan ng membership. Okay. Alright. Okay. And I'm with Davon right now. So, kukuha kami ng food. And this is the menu for today. Green salad, veggie balls, out of fries or fish and chips, salmon fillet, plant balls, Swedish meatballs. Kids meal, veggie wrap, chocolate cake, and cheesecake. So let's see. Can you do it?
I want
Yeah, the chocolate.
the chocolate and the
That's this one.
chocolate.
It's this one. It's this one.
Okay.
Oh, no. Only one. Let's see. Oh, there. It's the chocolate fudge cake is there. Sorry, not this one. That one.
Not the cheesecake.
Chocolate fudge cheesecake. Huh? Ay, chocolate fudge cake. Wow, Swedish meatballs, the salmon, and that one is the chicken fish out of fries. All right, and I want the what's that? The fish. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yes, please. The hot dog and fries. Yeah, thank you. Right. Okay, go. Thank you. That's all, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, alright. So we have 2 here now. And we need to move. Yeah, you can move. Okay. Siyempre, play si Davon. Then, let's get some garlic bread, Kuya. Kuya, for a while. You need to wait for Daddy. Okay. Hey, fam, we're almost done. Uubusin na lang ni Mami Donna ang food. And si Davon din. So, pagkakain kayo dito sa IKEA, I suggest dito ay kumain sa section window banda. Kasi ang ganda ng view. May flag, may highway, daming naglalakad. Parang dito lang kayo while eating.
Davon. Sorry. Yeah.
So, right. And then next stop is, I think, Chinook Mall ba? We're going to Chinook Mall to meet our fam. See you later! Okay, nandito na kami sa market area kasi may bibilin si Don ng isa lang. But then you need to pass through all of this. So, dito na yung ipipick up na lang lahat ng mga items. So, galing talaga nitong IKEA. Ano talaga siya? For the experience. And makikita mo lahat ng pwedeng bilhin. So, walking lang kami just to, since first time namin dito. And then, yeah. So after here sa market, yung self-serve furniture area naman. And then counter na yan after. So it's more or less, they have the same concept kahit na saan. So sa Singapore, they have 2 stores. Pupunta din kami doon. Sa Richmond, they have 1 store. Pupunta din kami. So dito, first time namin sa IKEA Calgary naman. So ito na yung mga furnitures. Nakalapag na yung mga pallets. So kukuha ka na lang dyan. Depende dun sa yung studio presentation nila kanina kung ano yung nagustuhan mo. Remember the number. And then hahanapin mo dito yung furniture. Yeah. So yun Kallax. Yan yung favorite namin eh. Ito labo, wala pa tayo nito.
Pwede nga yung sa babae. Out of stock.
Actually, pwede.
Out of stock. Out of stock.
Yeah, so alright. Okay, let's go. May bibilin lang si Mami and then that's it. Ang gagaling ng mga anak ko. Look. Leon's helping us. My baby girl. So good.
Kuya, I cannot have it.
Okay.
Then me turn.
Okay, then it's Kuya's turn. Okay, bayad na si Donna. Wow, 10. And that one. Yeah.
Ay, sorry.
Okay.
Thank
You got it, my son. Pay now. Yeah. Okay, scan daw, Kuya. Scan mommy's phone. There. Alright, you got it. Yeah, let's... Okay. Paying na lang and then done. Printed and via email. Yeah. Yep. Right? So magkano total is 24.30. Mura lang. Ay fam, so andito na kami sa bahay. Nasa taas na ang mga kids kasi nagpe-prepare na din si Donna ng dinner. Hindi na kami nakapag-dinner sa Chinook kasi sobrang busy. Kakalakad and kakahabol din kina Davon and Lian and all the other kids na kasama namin, mga anak ni na Joseph and Kuya Alan. So thanks for watching and I hope nasiyahan kayo sa IKEA tour natin na ginawa. Kasi first time din namin doon and I suggest visit din kayo doon pag may kailangan kayong mga gamit sa bahay. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe to our 80% na nanonood. And always appreciate you guys for watching and see you on the next video. Hang loose!